Okay, so I'll see if I can demonstrate the problem. I've got the same volt per octave signal multed into this Dixie and this Rubicon 1. I've got the Dixie set 1 octave below the Rubicon, and the sine wave is going into the through zero input. And if we monitor the sine wave from the Rubicon, then I can see it's playing a perfect C near enough, a few cents out. And as I increase the index, the tuning moves a tiny bit, but the tone sounds really stable, and it obviously keeps the pitch. Now, if I transfer that volt per octave signal into the Rubicon 2, and I move the sine wave into the Rubicon 2, the output, sorry, and put the same sine wave from the Dixie back into the through zero FM input, and we monitor now the Rubicon 2, I'll just show that it tracks really well still. So there's not much tracking error really, it's absolutely fine. Tracks the same as the Dixie and the Rubicon 1. But then when I turn the index up, it sounds way off tune. So that's with lock on. So completely different. Now even if I turn lock off, so that introduces a very slight tuning offset, but I'll reset that, and then if I play with the index again, it's kind of introducing like a beating into the sound, and obviously it's going out of pitch as well. And just compare that quickly again to the Rubicon 1. Which has now tuned itself differently somehow. Let me just check that's tracking okay. So that's great, and then increase the index. Really stable, no beating, and that's with the index all the way up as well. Full through zero, totally stable. Just can't seem to get the same thing with the Rubicon 2. And that's with symmetry all the way round as well. If I put symmetry where it was on the Rubicon 1 and retune it, it's slightly worse. So yeah, any thoughts would be greatly appreciated.